Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download Steam and how to install Steam. So let's get started. As usual, you have to go to the description of this video. Under downloading section, you will going to find my website link. Link will be something like this: www.imrhelper.com/windows/programs/steam, or link will be something like that. Simply click on it, and after clicking on it you will going to land on this page. Now scroll down a little bit, and yes guys, if you don't know what is Steam, then you can read it from here, and if you want a more detail about this Steam, then you can read it from here. Simply click on it and read it more. Okay, since this video is not about what is Steam, so I'm not going to explain it, you have to read it by yourself. Okay, scroll down a little bit, and as you can see that here it is a Steam installer. It is a direct download link, and guys, let me tell you, this is an official website link of Steam, so no need to worry about that I am providing you any third party untrusted website link. Simply click on it, and save it. So file size was approx 1 MB. Now how to install it? Okay, so simply double click, and guys, make sure that you are administrator of this computer, otherwise you will require an permission from the administrator to install this program. I am assuming that you are the administrator. Click on yes, click on next, choose the language. In my case I am going to select English. Now where do you want to install this program? In my case I am going to install it in my C drive, but you can install it anywhere you want to. Okay, it is your choice. Click on install. Now make sure you are connected to the internet, otherwise Steam won't able to launch properly. As you can see, it is downloading update of Steam that will going to help you to play the game properly without any error. So please let this updater download all the files. Now it is asking me to create an account, or if you already have the account, then log in. Creating an account is very easy. Simply click on create new account and click on it. In my case I am going to log in with my own account, so I will going to click on this, log in to an existing account. If you are only one person who are using Steam, so you can click on this remember my password, and it won't going to ask you to log in again. Click on login. Since I am logging my Steam account in this computer for the first time, so this program is asking me to provide your identity. Select this option and click on next. I have already got an email from Steam in which I got an security code, which I have to put it over here. So this is my code that I have got in my email, and now click on next and click on finish. So here it is, the list of my games that I have in my Steam account. So that's all for today. I hope you find this video informative. Click on like button to show me your support. Comment below if you having any questions regarding this video. I will try my best to help you. Share this video with your friends and family member, whoever you like to share. It is totally free. And at last, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this, as well as press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I make the videos for you. And one more thing, please do visit my website, which is www.imrhelper.com. Link is in the description box below. All the social website links are in the description box below, so always check the description. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.